This is how to play with halalela modimo rona using the key of C sharp. Right? Before I can break it down to you guys, I'm gonna start first by playing it. Oh yeah, halalela. Right? So let's jump straight to it. So you're gonna wait for a singer to say, oh yeah, halalela, and then you press this chord. Right? You can choose to press this one, or you can press this one. Right? Oh yeah, halalela, and then you come to this one. Right? Or you can say, oh yeah, halalela. Right? You'll choose the one that suits you. So you press this one, and then you come to this one. From here, you're gonna say, you're gonna press this one. From this one, you're gonna press this one. From this one, you're gonna press this one, and then you're gonna come here. Right? So it's oh yeah, halalela, halalela. Right? So before I can move to the other part, I'm gonna introduce the bass. So when you hit this chord, you come to the key of G on the left. Right? So it's gonna be G and number 5. Then you come to this one, and then you stay there until you say halalela, and then you go to number 1. You wait for a singer again to say oh yeah, halalela. If you choose to play this one, so the bass is going to be different. You're not gonna press G, but you're gonna press D sharp, right? Or you can call it number 2, right? So you're gonna press number 2 and then number 5. Oh yeah, halalela. Right? Just to spice things up, you can say oh yeah, halalela, and 5, 6, 7, right? 5, 6, 7, and then when you come back to this one, you go to number 5 again, and then you close it. Oh yeah, halalela. Watch closely. Ba 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 ba. Right? So I'm gonna move to the other part. Our second part starts right here. So it's gonna be modi. From here it comes here. 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 And then you come here. And then you come here. Right? It's the same thing. But when you get to the second part, you come to this one. You come to this chord, and then you press this one, and then you close it. Right? So I'm going to introduce the bass. When you say you're gonna go to number 4 on the left. When you press this one. When you get to this one, you press number 5, and then you stay on number 5 until you say this one you press number 1, and then you repeat the same thing. You stay there until you say right. Let me play the whole thing. I hope everyone understood. Until we meet again, God bless you.